Okay, maybe we can start with. You said that you can talk Slovene.
Oh yes, I speak Slovenian very well.
Yeah.
No, wait, I can't. That's the one language I can't speak, and I apologise.
Can you say anything?
No, I've only been here for 24 hours. No, not even that. 12 hours. I can't learn a language in 12 hours, sadly.
Okay. And first impression of Slovenia?
Well, it came in through the mountains from Hungary.
Yeah.
So it's just straight away very pretty, and then it stays very pretty to here. So it's just very pretty.
Yeah. You do something on Bled Lake. What it's going to be?
Well, it's actually the finish point for a long, about a 2,200 kilometre drive from Gdansk at the top of Poland, all the way down to Krakow, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Hungary, and then here.
And this is the Grand Tour.
Yes, that is a grand tour.
When can we watch and when?
This show, a lot.
Where?
Where? On Amazon Prime. All our shows are on Amazon Prime.
I think he's trying to ask when it's
going to be released. Yes.
Oh, very long time. 6 months, perhaps. 6 months. I don't know. Do you know? 6 months.
It takes a long time.
What about Slovenian food? Do you like it? What did you try?
We just had spaghetti bolognese last night.
Just
we arrived late. We arrived late and we woke up this morning and having a cup of coffee.
Yeah. You should try kremšnita. This is a cake special from this.
Okay, we'll try that.
Okay.
We'll try that.
What do you know about? What can you say about Dacia? Dacia Duster, Dacia Logi, and
because it's pronounced Dacia.
Yeah.
The cars?
Dacia.
Yeah.
We call
because
them
you're
Dacia.
a specialist for cars.
It used to be. A long time ago, we ran a car program. It's changed since then. But my colleague James May is around somewhere. He's an expert on Dacia.
Yeah, he says that I asked him already.
Yeah, no,
he said that it's okay.
No, he likes the Dacia.
What do you prefer? Which cars?
Maseratis.
Because you have I see that you have
Range Rovers.
Top 10 cars, and there is no Dacia in that list.
I don't think that's our list.
I found some list and.
That's the internet. Everything on the internet is wrong.
It's wrong. Okay.
Yes.
What do you drive?
Range Rover.
Range Rover.
Yeah. And
Is it better than Dacia?
Yeah. And a Lincoln Continental Mark 8, an Alfa Romeo GTV6, a Mercedes 600 Grosser, Bentley Flying Spur, another Range Rover, a Land Rover Discovery with a Mercedes SL body on it, and a Mini.
Which color is it?
What?
Because I don't know much about cars. Which color is it?
Is what? Which color is what?
What color is your car?
Oh.
Is it black or is it?
No, it's green.
It's green. Oh, cool. Slovenia is a green country.
Yeah.
You know, ecological and.
Yeah.
So, I heard that you were a radio star. You were.
No, I was never a radio star. I was absolutely terrible at it. But I started in radio, in 1988. As a radio presenter. What?
BBC or what?
BBC local radio. You see, there's BBC national, which is like the big stuff, and then there's BBC local radio, which is tiny. I think there were more people worked at the radio station than listened to it.
And what was your show about? We have a morning show in Slovenia.
I did the morning show, and it was 4 hours long, and it was about whatever I could find to put in the show. Anything at all that would fill minutes. Do you have music in this show?
Yeah.
See, with the BBC, the BBC took music away from us.
Okay.
They said,
do you have
it's all
traffic report, weather?
I used to look forward to the traffic report.
Do you have a weather girl or a boy?
Weather person.
Oh, weather person. Why are you smiling? This is a regular question.
That is the best
We have a girl. We have a girl because
You have a girl.
girls are good, for the weather. I am a traffic guy.
Girls are good because their hair stands up if it's going to be dry and it lies flat if it's going to rain. So girls are great for weather girls.
Okay, what music do you like? Do you have a song that reminds you on something, or you?
Well, yes.
Yes.
I mean, a huge range of music.
Iggy Pop, Lust for Life, or Barber's Adagio for strings.
Yes.
One or the other.
Yeah.
Some
I
or
do
anything
like
in
Lust for
between.
Life, actually. We can agree on that. Frank Zappa, Bobby Brown.
Yep.
Or Pachelbel's Canon in D.
What about Guns N' Roses?
Yeah, I like a glass of rosé.
Good call. You are a funny man, really. And you are a farmer. I read it.
I am a farmer.
Because I am a farmer too.
What do you grow?
I have a garden. I have only green salad and tomatoes, and you have a ranch, or
Well, it's a farm.
it's a farm.
It's a farm.
Do you have animals?
I have cows and sheep,
Okay.
but I mostly grow wheat and barley and oilseed rape.
How this suits you to your regular job? That you're a farmer, or you're a TV host, or you're everything?
I also, yes, I'm a game show host as well, but I'm a journalist.
You're a real game changer, I guess.
Not really.
I really like you. You're
No, I'm just a journalist. I write for the Sunday Times, the
okay.
newspaper.
So enjoy your coffee.
Will
I don't
do.
want to be too long because I know that you have to drive. So thank you. Enjoy Slovenia.
Thank you very much for coming out to see us.
We will be happy to see what you did here.
Yeah, you'll like it.
Nice to see you.
Very many thanks for coming.
Thank you.
A ja, čakaš da rečem? A ja, veš kaj sem ti hotel povedati? Če nas rad poslušaš zjutraj, Denis Avdić Showu, polajkaj še Facebook, pa polajkaj še Instagram, polajkaj, kar lahko polajkaš, stari, sam polajkaj. Aj prav, polajkaj pa poslušaj, stisni like.